Guys, haven't you heard that today is Atta Smart birthday?
Yes, that's a Apala Favor, a big brother and a content creator and a friend, in Nigeria, that is West Africa, and this brother is actually having a very special way of celebrating me, still in the mood of celebrating my special day. That's my birthday. Today, 21st of January 2025, in a very special way. And I was there and just had this video from a colleague content creator actually celebrating me in a very special. I will let you watch the full video and you'll be amazed. In fact, this young guy has a very nice way of giving out a birthday message. You know what? So I will let us watch the full video right now. But he's actually into drums. Yeah. He's also a content creator, as I said, a Apala Favor, and he's over here on YouTube. All right, let's show love. He's also Emmanuel. Oh yes, he's also Emmanuel, just as I am. So thank you very much. I'm doing this particular video to actually appreciate you, my big brother, and then also to fulfill what I promised you guys that I'll be doing at the community post. I told you guys that I'll be doing this to support and help you guys, right? So if you have anything special for me, you can let me know, and then you take advantage, you talk about your channel in that particular video, as this our brother has actually done. So we're gonna watch the full video, but hey, I want us to do something to help this brother, not only this brother but also those who would be doing same. I think by the time this video was made, he was having 174 subscribers. Now, as said earlier, he's into drums. So those of you who are fan of drums, who love drums and all that in a very special way, I want us to get onto his channel and then let's subscribe. All right, let's push his subscribership to the higher grounds. You understand? Yes, I think it's 124. I will check after this video and see the number of subscribers he's having. Now when you go to his channel and you subscribe, let's know the number that you subscribe. Maybe you will be the 175th or 176th or the 200th. Let's know. You just comment at the put a comment under this particular video. You understand? So we celebrate ourselves. This is a special way I have decided to help and support my audience, my viewers and my followers, actually my cherished subscribers. Thank you guys. God bless you. So if you'd also want to do that, the day is still young. You can also let me hear from you. You record yourself in a very nice way, and then whatever you want to tell me, you tell me, and then after that you take advantage, you add details of your channel over there, and then you send to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link, it's at the description. You can get it, and then we take it from there. So God bless you all. I wish you all the best, and it's my prayer that your channel grows. Thank you very much for also celebrating me, supporting me, and getting me a lot of messages and all that. In fact, God bless you. I'm most grateful. Those sending messages on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on YouTube over here. In fact, a whole lot on my phones and all that. God bless you guys. I cherish all of you. So let's go watch the video of Apala Favor, and then don't forget to subscribe to Apala Favor's channel if you're a fan of drums. You know what? And let's take it from there. God bless you. Do have a wonderful time.
If you don't know, better know. Every 21st of January is Atta Smart birthday. So I'm one of his students, and I'm doing this special birthday shout out for him. Listen. I wish you more fulfilled life in Jesus' name. You shall continue to grow like a shiny sun. So I'm also called Emmanuel. I am also a content creator. You can also check my link below at the description, where I teach, I lecture, I do talking drums, and I inspire people. So please. Sorry for that. It's one of my fathers. So it's one of my mentors too. My channel too. I post motivational videos. I tutor. If you want to learn anything about percussion instruments, my channel is available for you. I do drums. You see, drums. You see, if you want drums like this, I'm also available. So I'm wishing you more fulfilled life. Atta Smart is a content creator. So I'm wishing you more fulfilled life in Jesus' name, because every 21st of January is your birthday. I wish you more fulfilled life. You shall continue to to enjoy God's blessing, and your family shall continue to celebrate with you. Till I see you. Bye.